Hey everyone, hope you're doing okay. I wanted to point out another weed that we're seeing a lot right now. We see this every spring, early spring, the beginning of March, even through April, and that's henbit. Henbit's that weed that's growing really tall right now, and it's got purple blooms all over it, like you're seeing right here behind me. This is another one of those winter weeds that you prevent with the fall application, with the fall pre-emergent application. If you get that down, you won't have this problem. But right now, if you didn't get a fall application, you're going to have a lot of this coming up. So the best thing to do, if you have this going on right now, you can use a post-emergent on it. There's a number of different post-emergents that'll work on it, but mowing it down is a good option. Keep it mowed down, and that will speed up the process and it dying off, because as it warms up, this stuff is going to die off because it is a cool season weed, a winter weed. So a little bit of patience with that, and it'll be gone in no time. So again, you get your pre-emergent application out now, because just like the other weeds I've talked about, if once this stuff dies off, something else is going to take its place if you don't get a pre-emergent down. And then next fall, get your pre-emergent out, and you won't have to deal with this stuff in the following spring. So hope that helps. Let us know if you have any questions. Thanks.